Hi, I'm Jordy. I work with marketing organizations all over the world to help them design and produce repeatable, emotionally engaging video content. In this video, I'll give you 5 reasons why you need to invest in video marketing based on extensive evidence like this provided by many players in the industry regarding the impact video is having on businesses just like yours. Now, regardless of the source or any inherent biases, the evidence is compelling. You need to make video a top priority in your marketing content strategy. Not leveraging video in your marketing is no longer an option. So number 1, video boosts conversion rates. Including video in a landing page can increase conversion by 80%. An introductory email that includes a video receives an increased click-through rate by 96%. Number 2, video helps you reach more business buyers. 75% of executives visit the marketer's website and 39% call a vendor after viewing a video. 65% of executives prefer to watch video instead of reading text if both are available on the same page. Number 3, video gets you longer online engagement. The average internet user spends 88% more time on a website with video. Visitors who view videos stay on websites an average of 2 minutes longer than those who don't view videos. Number 4, video gets you more referrals. 92% of mobile viewers share videos with others. And number 5, in a digital world where decisions are often made long before you make contact with prospects, video helps build trust and create a personal, authentic connection. This is even more important in a COVID world where we can't connect in person. Video is your best chance to build those relationships. So here's a bonus tip. Prospects are no longer interested in being sold to. They're going online to self-educate about possible solutions to their business problems. They're looking for credible, objective sources to learn from. Producing emotionally engaging and informative customer case studies and thought leadership videos will help you get found, build trust, and tell your story in a much more compelling way than any brochure could possibly do. If you want to learn more, explore our website or reach out to continue this conversation.